welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing something a bit different today. I'm gonna be doing a review on the new Revlon hair brusher thingy. It's the new Revlon power dryer, like hair dryer thingy. I can't say the damn name. Yeah, it's a blow dryer, but it's also a volumizer, and it's only one step. So I'm gonna try it out. So obviously it has really good reviews, has 29,000 fan reviews. I've been seeing everything about it. I've seen it on TikTok, I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen people ranting and raving about it. So it better work. Just kidding. So I'm gonna start off with my hair. This is my hair wet. And this is how my hair is naturally, how I come out the shower after being washed. I don't have a perm, I don't have anything in my hair. This is it. This is my hair, my natural hair. Texture, everything. But we're gonna start off with the argan oil. I'm just gonna put a little drop of this, because this is the little, you know, that little moisture in there. And then I'm gonna put this, which is the heat protectant by TRESemmé. And I'm just gonna comb it out, separate it, and I'm gonna start. So let's see how it works.
Before you came round, my heart would never beat much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Wow, this is just with the first one. I'm gonna be done in like 5 minutes. So cute. Still a little bit wet here, but first impressions, yeah. Let's keep going.
Like I could drain the ocean before I was found. I didn't want to breathe out, and my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. And love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
So here is my final results. It actually did really good. I mean, look at how straight my hair is. I mean, it was straight before. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna do my makeup really quick, and then I'm gonna come back and talk about what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it, because it's good. It's really good, actually. I literally did this in like 10 minutes. Came out really awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. So also I bought this Juvia Juvia foundation stick in the color Dominica. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it today. I'm not gonna do too much crazy makeup. I'm just gonna do something simple, something light. So let's go.
Yeah, it's just you and me. Bonnie and Clyde, yeah, we're so young. just know that you won't never have to wonder. I will never get caught up falling with all these other girls. That's not my motive. I'm way too focused. If you ever get too unruly, know that I'm on one tour. Can't keep composure, and that's why I fucks with you. Would you take a bullet to the chest for me? I need to know if you're riding, I'm dying. I promise you won't never have to wonder. You're dying, I'm riding. Just know that you won't never have to wonder. Yeah.
I could be your hero, but I can't get out of bed. There's too much in my head. I could be more faithful, but I fail at that habit. So I run around instead. I wanna be good to myself. Love hard to breathe more, drink less. I wanna be seen in my best. Sleep more, be natural, I less. All I need is 21 days and I'm fine. January 1, I'ma still need more time. Every single year, yeah.
So here are my final results. This is just with the brush. As you can see, it's not perfect. It got a little bit of puffy side over here, but that part of my hair never really gets completely straight unless I use a flat iron, and I'm not doing that right now. But yeah, this is my final look with the Revlon one top. It literally took me 15 minutes to do this to my hair, and it came out really cute, and I love it. And one con about it is that this little part right here gets so hot. Oh my gosh, I was using it and I started going like this as I was turning my hair, and I realized, let me just hold the bottom because I'm about to burn my fingers. And I'm like, you need to chill, you need to chill. So anyways, this is it. My hair is like really fine, and kind of always been like that my whole life, so it's super easy for me to do my own hair. It's easy for me to dye my own hair, put my own products, do my own treatments and everything, which I usually do. So I'm lucky like that. Thank you, Mom and Dad. I love you. And that's it. So I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos. I told you I'm gonna be more consistent, so yeah. But yeah, this is it. I love it. It looks really, really good. I really, really like it. Oh, don't mind the lighting. I don't have my ring light now, so I'm using natural light. It's killing me, bro. Look at this. Make my forehead look orange. But anyways, this is it, and I hope you like it. So if you do, please leave a comment. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.